Today, I want you to see this fabulous Bedford home for sale. It's brand new and it's built by Shaughnessy Homes and listed by Krista Jensen of 73 Realty Group, Royal LePage Atlantic. The house has 3,241 square feet of finished living space. All appliances are included. Schools are some of the best in the city: Kingswood Elementary, Charles P. Allen High School. So let's go inside and take a look. If you have questions about it, my email is below and more description is at the end of the video. Couple of stairs and we are on the main floor. To the right is the bathroom. Nice choice of tile floor here. To the left is mudroom with a garage. Few stairs down. Nice mudroom here, which also has access to the kitchen, so it's like a pantry and mudroom, which is smart because if you are coming from the garage with all your kitchen supplies, you can go right in here in your pantry and unload all the groceries, and from here you go right into the beautiful kitchen and living area. Nice. Gas stove here. Appliances are included. Dishwasher, fridge, the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. Nice size island here. Door to the deck. Let's take a look. It's a green bowl. Good size deck and has a walkout. I love this cozy open living space. It's so nice. Nice and light color wooden floor. Nice pot lights. I think we have more pot lights here. There's more pot lights. So pretty. Nice fireplace. Let's go upstairs. Let's go to the right. Here we have beautiful main bedroom. Views to the trees. Ensuite. Double sink. Nice deep bathtub by the window. I like the shower tile here. It's nice. Door opens. All the fixtures are already here. Let's take a look at the second bedroom on this floor. Good size and has a closet. Here we have laundry room, wash and dry already included. And 2 more bedrooms facing the front. Nice views of Bedford Hills. Nice homes. Closets in every bedroom, standard in all newer Canadian homes. Good size bedroom. Huge window up higher. Also closet. And the second bathroom on this floor. Double sink, bathtub. And we will go down, see the basement. Basement is all finished. So it's a great space. Here we have a bedroom. With the closet. All finished, all ready to move in and enjoy. Full bathroom and good size recreation room. Cute. And last but not least, there is storage space under the stairs with some extra flooring. And here we have the furnace room and a hot water tank, a water main, air exchanger, electrical panel. So we are back outside. You can see the street and the space across the street and to the side. So nice houses here in this subdivision. So this home that we just saw, it's right here on the left with a nice garage, and you can see the trees in the backyard. Is listed for $964,900 Canadian dollars. Thank you for watching and have a great day.